This past week we had a viewer drop in on one of our games. He's the guy dressed in all the SWAT gear. His name is Alex and he came from New Jersey for his birthday to play with us, which I think is pretty cool. So we did a number of zombie games and some Smokin Aces scenarios. For those of you who don't know what Smokin Aces is, you should watch this. I highly recommend it. This video is a two-parter. Already uploaded the zombie game. This one's the Smokin Aces video. I also know a number of you have been complaining about the melee weapons, but you can't please everybody, and I had a lot of requests for using melee weapons. They're pretty fun anyway, so if you want to watch guns and stuff, this is the video for you, the Smokin Aces. If you want to see the zombie melee fights, you should go to the one that's linked below. I'm still taking submissions for the viewer-made video. Also, this coming week, I will be going to Operation Lightning Strike in New York, so I won't be playing the regular everyday games. I will, however, probably be filming with a gun camera, so it's going to be a pretty intense video. We're also sending some team members to Irene this year. That's going to be pretty cool, so keep checking back for those videos. If you have any questions, send them on in. I'll be glad to answer them. So, here's the video.
Someone again from behind.
Come on. Don't try to escape. Cover him and then you search. Bust the hole. Hold it. Gentlemen, search it.
I got him.
This is the worst construction guy ever.
You can search them.
I already know he has a gun. Don't step in my hole! Okay. That's all I'm saying.
Touch your hole, sir.
Don't touch my hole.
Hold it.
He's aiming.
Who's aiming?
Steve.
Right, slow down. Slow down. We got a guy behind us then.
You ain't a cameraman with a gun, right?
Right, keep on moving. We keep moving. We got a hostile behind us. So might as well keep moving.
You guys better freaking protect me.
I'm allergic!
Check him.
Physical search.
Hold it. Don't move. Any weapons on you?
You have to let him know.
Right, put it down. Put it down. Then move away. Move away.
Hostiles in the back. Come down the trail. Go.
Sure they like hostiles? I'm dead.
following.
Oh shit. Alright, I'm dead.
Come on. You shot? Where am I
they're
taking? Hey.
I'm dead.
Put your hand up.
Did you die?
No. Wow, those things.
Nah. Shit. Hey! Where's my other SWAT?
Steve's hit!
No. Hey!
I got it in the head.
Nick, they're all dead!
There's a men working inside where we were.
That's why it was funny.
Dumbass.
Hold up.
Well, I'm checking. Go up and check. Pointing a gun at us is
Put the gun
not
down.
the best idea.
Gun down. There you go.
I have merchandise.
Gun on the ground.
You.
Merchandise
Put it
for
in
you
the
to buy.
Hey, look.
Not to worry about her.
Stop.
You left your hand there. I don't appreciate anything being near that campsite that's not supposed to be there. I don't want any.
I will drop you, sir.
She's not a zombie.
Near, no, please. I just want to talk to her. I just want to talk to her.
You got anything on?
Yes, I do. I just want. Look. I can't have anything here. I need you.
Put it in the car.
This is just.
Forward.
Physical search, what you got on you? Maybe all over there. That pocket?
Would you like some bagels?
I would like you to shut up.
Alright.
The bagels are also pistols. They can be
Back here by the car.
they can be used as either.
Let this guy come back here. Go talk to the man with the gun back there. Talk to him. Physical
You need
search.
permission to search my brides. You need physical permission.
Oh, I got physical permission from the U.S. military. I got your bagels now too.
You took my bagels.
Hey, you took
You want a grenade to your chest, you stay right there.
He took my bagels.
Oops. No more guns.
No other.
Clear. Alright, keep going.
You're not touching any of that stuff.
Gun down.
Keep walking.
Down. Down.
That's down.
No, down. Like out of hand down.
Oh, my bagels.
Now turn around and walk away. Turn around and walk away. I'll shoot you in the leg. If I shoot him in the leg.
Shoot her in the ass. Don't really.
Matt, watch this guy.
Bagels, huh? They're bagels / pistols. They work
Oh.
as either.
Okay.
You can eat them or shoot people
Did he
with
tell you anything?
He said there might be a pistol.
Oh, I already got him.
You got him?
Yeah, in the back. The little crazy guy about the camp.
Is that it?
Yeah, I got him.
bagels.
They're under U.S. property right now.
Bagels.
How about
You say bagels one more time, I will drop you.
I can just do this. Let's go. Follow me. Bring this guy along with him.
Bagels.
Keep on walking ahead of him.
Sit here. Take a look.
Go.
Stay
Go.
where you are. Stay where you are.
Hang on between you.
Okay. Don't go too much. Don't go too much in front of him. Okay, good.
I want my bagels.
You stay right there.
Thank you. Tell him to give me my bagels.
Alright, hold on. Keep an eye on these guys.
Oh, turn the light off.
Monero? Is it Monero?
By bagel, you mean bullet? And keep talking.
Shoot you for something. Keep an eye on this. What's that? What's that right there? I know it's red. Hold up. I don't care. Let me see it.
Bagels. I do not appreciate.
Control you like this.
Sir, there's a gun right there.
I don't care. I see you got a chair.
No simpatico.
What are you doing with another gun?
No simpatico.
Steve. Steve.
I'm your fucking barrier, woman.
What's going on? Thank you. And there is my grill.
No, no, no. Steve!
Grill.
You, sir, have been court-martialed.
This is going to hell.
Goggles. You need goggles.
You're on safety.
Yummy cookies.
You white.
Oh.
Yes!
That's right.
Oh, you guys so mean. He doesn't even speak English.
Oh, man.
Durka Lurka? Hey, Matt's dead.
He's so cute. How fun you.
Steve and Matt are dead.
Oh, man. Whoa, that hurt. All right. Tell to YouTube will
So, what do you think of it so far, Alex?
It's awesome.
You got anything to say? I'm probably gonna go on the internet.
Yeah. c7viper rocks.
Ha! Anyone else? Anything?
Tremendous.
Durka!
Feel like a little kid again.